Ninh explains how to cure phobias. Now, a lot of people are scared of a lot of things, and it's not too uncommon to find somebody who has a phobia. Now, if you have a phobia, you'll probably have an irrational fear or an irrational response to something that you perceive as a threat to you that might actually hurt you. And hey, you could literally be scared of anything. Spiders, snakes, cats. Okay. Needles, dirt, oranges. Yeah, that's actually a thing. Dogs, flying, the number 13. Ah! You get the idea. So why do people have phobias? Now, if you do have a phobia, it's probably because you've had a bad experience of it, or the fact that you just don't like them. So what causes this irrational fear? You've probably got a negative image in your mind about what that phobia can do to you. A lot of people play this image in their minds like a broken record, and it affects how they behave. Let's take the fear of flying, for example. Now, the fear of flying is a common one. With the fear of flying, you're probably scared that the plane is going to break apart, there's smoke going to be filling in the cabin, people are panicking, stuff's being thrown everywhere. And let's not forget the untimely death that happens when the plane eventually crashes down somewhere. If you think that about flying, then yeah, of course you're going to be scared of flying, definitely. So how do you solve it then? Obviously, if you have a phobia, you've probably got a negative image in your mind about what it is that you're afraid of. It's now time to lessen the effect that that image has over you. What I want you to do first of all is drain the colour out of the image, turn it black and white. Then what I want you to do is start shrinking the image. Start shrinking that image, shrink it away, shrink it away, shrink it away. Make it smaller and smaller and smaller. If it's loud and it's got some sound on it, start turning down the volume on the phobia. I want you to turn down the volume and shrink the image, shrink the image, shrink the image. Imagine shrinking that image, and then imagine it being so small and so teeny weeny and so quiet that it has no effect on you whatsoever. Throw it away. Literally just throw it away. And I want you to replace that particular image with something that's good instead of something that's bad. So let's take flying again. Imagine the plane going up smoothly. Imagine it cruising nicely, and that it's a nice, relaxing atmosphere. Imagine the gourmet food that you'll be getting. Okay, maybe not that. And then imagine touching down on your holiday destination safely and then enjoying your time wherever you're going. Make the sounds big, bright and bold. I want you to make the volume big, and I want you to just relax and just enjoy the image in your head. What we've done here is we've shrunk the negative image and we've increased the positive image so that your mind associates the positive as opposed to the negative. This will take you a while to get used to, but I want you to repeat the process over and over and over again up until a point whereby the phobia has less of an effect on you. And when you do actually experience this, you'll find that whatever you're afraid of, they were just irrational fears. It probably never happened. That plane isn't going to crash and burn. That cat isn't going to attack you. Okay, maybe that one will. But guys, I want you to repeat that and repeat that up until the point whereby you have a positive image in your mind as opposed to a negative one. So does this stuff really work? Oh yeah, definitely. I used to be so afraid of snakes. I mean, they're creepy little buggers. For something that doesn't have any arms, legs, or wings, and it can still kill you, that's pretty scary. But since I've used this on myself, I find that snakes no longer bother me. I still probably wouldn't trust one, but I'm not actually scared of them anymore. Guys, if you found this video at all helpful, please like, share and subscribe. I know that doing YouTube full time is pretty hard to start with, so any support I can have from you guys is greatly appreciated. You'll shortly be able to download my free ebook down here as of the 1st of May. And if you haven't already done, follow me on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and whatever else that you can find me on. So guys, thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you next time.